Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through creating a conversation AI bot inside your PulseGrowth account. Let's get started. First, head over to the AI Agents section. Before creating the actual conversation AI bot, we need to set up something called a knowledge base. This is where your bot learns all the information it needs to respond accurately and naturally. In the Knowledge Base tab, you'll see two options: web crawler and FAQs. Let's start with the web crawler. This tool allows you to train the bot by using links to your website, booking pages, or other relevant resources. Click on Add Source, then select Web Crawler. Type in your domain and click Extract Data. After a few moments, you'll see the status change to Trained. You can add multiple links this way, which makes your bot even smarter and more comprehensive in how it responds. Next, let's set up some FAQs. This part is especially useful for common questions your customers might ask, like, how can I book an appointment? Or, what are your office hours? Click Add Source, choose FAQ, then type in a question and provide a detailed answer. You can keep adding as many questions as you like to ensure your bot can handle a wide range of conversations. Once your knowledge base is ready, it's time to create the conversation AI bot itself. Go back to AI Agents, then click on Conversation AI and select Create Agent. You'll see a few different options for bot types, but for now, let's build one from scratch so you can fully customize it. Start by naming your bot and setting its status. You can choose Suggestive or Autopilot if you'd like it to handle conversations entirely on its own. Next, select the communication channels where this bot will be active, like your website chat, Facebook Messenger, or SMS. Under Advanced Settings, enter your business name, set a wait time before the bot responds, and specify how many messages it can send in one conversation to keep things natural and user-friendly. Now let's move to the Bot Training tab. Here, you'll connect the knowledge base you created earlier, so your bot knows where to pull its information from. After that, head over to the Bot Goals tab. In the Prompt section, you'll define the bot's personality, intent, and overall purpose. For example, you might want it to be friendly, professional, and helpful while focusing on booking appointments or answering service questions. Once you've set the prompt, it's time to add actions. For example, if you want the bot to handle appointment bookings, select the appointment booking action. You can either have it send a booking link to the customer or actually schedule the appointment directly into your calendar. You can customize these settings to fit exactly how you run your business. You can also set up the bot to trigger workflows. For instance, after a conversation, the bot can automatically send a follow-up email or notify a user. You can also add actions to collect contact information, stop the bot when a certain condition is met, or use human handover to pass the conversation to a real person whenever a customer asks to speak to a live agent or manager. Finally, let's check out the dashboard. This is where you'll track everything your bot is doing, from the number of unique contacts it's interacted with to how many actions it triggered, and even how many appointments were booked if you set it up as a booking bot. This data is invaluable for understanding how your bot is performing and finding ways to improve it over time. And that's it. You now know how to create a knowledge base and build a fully functional conversation AI bot inside your PulseGrowth account. For more details or extra help, visit our support portal or email us at connect@pulsegrowth.io.